Okay, so a very quick one today. What we're going to do today, and it is going to be quick even though I'm typing the code as we go. We're going to get this, when I hold the mouse over these grids, I want to turn this grid a different colour so we know we've selected the grid. And I think this is going to be fairly easy because all we need to do in here is come into our draw grid and add an IMVec 2 in here, and we'll call this mouse pos. Something like that, and then we'll do IMGUI get mouse position. Now this knows where it is here, what window it's in, because of this get windows draw list. As far as I can tell, this knows which window it's working in because it's the current window that's selected. So that gets those two working together so as we know which window we're in, as far as I can tell. And then all we need to do is come down into here, and under this piece here we simply need to do bool, and then we can simply set that as hovered, say hovered, something like that. Be better if I spelled it right, I suppose. And that can simply be equals, oh god, that's gone in the wrong place as well. I should never try to do anything as I go. That is it there. So mouse pos X, and that should get us the correct cell that we're over. And then under that, all we need to do is if hovered, yep, something like that. We'll make it so as it's pretty transparent, and that should do as it says there, a yellowish highlight as we go over the thing. So if we run that now, we should, as we move about our grid, we should have highlighted the grid cells that we're in. So we'll make that a little bit bigger. We'll add a grid, and there we go. We can now tell which cell we're in. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to be able to get the row and the column that we're in, and be able to either click in there, right click in there, and then add the tile so as the tile ends up in that square, not the whole square like it has at the moment, a tad large, or have a means of clicking it and that selects that cell, and maybe have a window over you can click on an icon that then puts a tile in that cell. I don't know. I'm still I'm thinking as I go along. I'm still working on this. I'm getting to the point now where you're going to be able to select a tile, which will have obviously which tile, the tiles will be listed down there, and then you'll be able to select whether it's collidable, whether it's collectible, and all that sort of thing from it. That's a work in progress. Anyhow, like I said, it was just a quick one today to update that bit where I've got to start working now on being able to select the cell, so not only do we know which one we're hovering over, we need to be able to select that cell, click on it and select it. Anyhow, thanks for watching if you did.